Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the start. In this video, we are going to continue with the basic tags. So in the previous video, we saw three tags, right? Common tags, paragraph tags and heading tags. Now we are going to move on to the next tag, that is break tag, BR. So BR means break or line break. So that is the short form of that is BR. So this tag is used for introducing an empty line, and if you are pressing enter, what will happen? An empty line will be created. No, you call it as carriage return. So to create that single line break, you are using this BR tag, and this BR tag does not have an end tag, only one opening tag, that is BR, a single tag. You don't have an ending or closing tag, only one tag you have. So in paragraphs and headings and all, you have a starting tag and ending tag. So here you don't have such, and this does not contain any content. So you don't write in paragraphs and headings and all, you gave some contents. No, here you don't give any text content. So it is called as an empty tag. A tag without any content is called empty tag. So BR tag is an empty tag. It does not have any end or closing tag. So how to use it? Just if you are putting BR, an empty line will be introduced. So here I am using this BR tag. Empty lines are introduced. Throughout this code, I have used this BR and HR tags for legibility purpose. So mostly for having good legibility purpose, you use this BR and HR tags. So here I have used this BR tag in between the paragraph as well. So here before this paragraph I have used, then here two empty spaces I have left after this paragraph. So the first paragraph is, this paragraph is without line break. So this is the content. I have not used any line breaks. The second paragraph is, this is a paragraph with many line breaks. So here before and after I have used line breaks. After is I have left a line break. After para, between para and graph, I have left a line break. So look at the output of this. So BR tag, this is a paragraph without any line breaks. See, I don't get any spaces. The same content only. This is a paragraph with many line breaks. After is, I kept a BR tag, right? See, after is, a new line is introduced. Then after para and before graph, I placed a BR tag. So this graph is, a new line is introduced and this graph is moved to the next line. So after this also I have two BR tags. So here I got two empty lines. So for creating new lines and empty extra lines, you use this BR tag. So your legibility will be very good when you are using this BR tag. So the next tag is HR tag. So HR stands for horizontal rule. So line, you call the scale as ruler, right? Same way the line can be called as rule. So horizontal rule is shortened and it is called HR tag. So if you are using this HR tag, a line will be produced. So from this left end to right end, a horizontal straight line will be appearing if you are using this HR tag. This tag is also not having any closing tags, only one tag, HR. That's it. And it does not have any content, only lines will be created. This is also an empty tag. So if you want to divide your web page into sections, you want to divide your document or separate your document into various sections, this HR tag will be very much useful. See in my code, this is the program where I am having all the tags or most of the tag demonstration example in a single program I am having. After every section, see I have designed like section 1, section 2. See, at the starting and ending of the section, I am putting in horizontal tag, right? HR tag. So the section is over. I have put two BR tags along with one HR tag. So this HR tag, horizontal rule tag, will create lines like this. See, after first section, one line. After second section, one line. After third section, one line. The legibility, readability will be very much improved and you will be getting a good output when you are using this HR tag. A line from left end to right end will be drawn and the entire document will be divided into separate sections with the help of this line. So that is called as horizontal tag. Hope you understood this. The next tag is pre-tag. See, this HTML is ignoring the white spaces and empty lines. I am having some Word document in that I have left proper spaces, extra spaces and all I have left. Also new lines, also extra new lines I have left. The same thing I want to convert it into content. Exact replica should be the output. If this is my case, I cannot sit and type BR tags and HR tags here and there. So it will be an extra burden for me. So whatever content I'm having, whatever white spaces and whatever new lines I'm having in the content, the same thing should be replicated in the output. The white spaces and new lines should be preserved. The pre-formatted text should appear as such, means you have to use the pre-tag. So pre-formatted text, whatever you are using the formatting, whatever spaces and whatever line breaks or new lines you have left, the same thing will be appearing in your output if you are having your pre-tag. Here usually the font width will be fixed and the font style will be usually Courier. So now we'll see an example for this. So section 1.6, right? So this section 1.5, I just drawn 2 lines before a paragraph. So that was my output. So before and after this paragraph, I drawn a line HR. So HR will draw a line. That is HR tag. So now we are seeing the pre-tag, right? So here, this is one line about the pre-tag. So it will ignore without ignoring the spaces, it will preserve the formatting. That is the use of pre-tag. I'm having a pre-tag without, I'm having a paragraph without pre-tag. So without pre-tag, this is my starting one. So this is my paragraphs. Quotes of APJ Abdul Kalam. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence. And face your future without fear. So this is the quotes. See, I have left spaces. I have left new lines, extra new lines. Here I have left spaces. Legibly I am having, but I am not printing this inside the pre-tag. Here I have not used any pre-tag. So this content, this paragraph, in this paragraph, the white spaces and new lines will not be preserved. The same paragraph I have copied and pasted again, but I have put it inside a pre-tag. So a opening pre-tag and a closing pre-tag is there. Between that I have placed the same paragraph. Now look at the output without pre-tag and with pre-tag. See, without pre-tag, the entire content is printed without any spaces or new lines. But with pre-tags, as such, how I left the extra white spaces, extra new lines, those things are correctly preserved and printed. So if you want to preserve your pre-formatted text, then you can use this pre-tag. So hope you understood the BR tags, HR tag and pre-tag. In the next video, we'll be seeing some more formatting tags. So stay tuned. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. Thank you.